Hi, it's finally quiz time again, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 76. The first question, what is watch in Chinese? We have A. 手表 B. 事情 C. 信 D. 商店 You can try to guess first. 手表 is watch. 事情 is matter, 姓 is surname, 商店 is store, and watch in Chinese is A. 手表. The next question, what is meaning in Chinese? We have A. 先生 B. 客 C. 意思 D. 小姐. Is it A, B, C, or D? 先生 is Mr. 客 is subject, 意思 is meaning, 小姐 is Miss or Mrs. And meaning in Chinese is C.
意思。
The next one. What is surname in Chinese? We have A. 小姐 B. 商店 C. 客 D. 姓. I'll give you time to think first. 小姐 is Miss or Mrs. 商店 is store. 客 is subject. 姓 is surname. And surname in Chinese is D. 姓. Another question here. What is Mr. in Chinese? We have A. 意思 B. 先生 C. 事情 D. 手表. I will explain it better. 意思 is meaning. 先生 is Mr. 事情 is matter. 手表 is watch. And Mr. in Chinese is B. 先生. Let's move on to the next question. What is store in Chinese? A. 手表 B. 意思 C. 商店 D. 小姐. Which one do you think is the right answer? 手表 is watch, 意思 is meaning, 商店 is store, 小姐 is Miss or Mrs. And the right answer for this question is C. 商店. Moving on to the next one. What is matter in Chinese? A. 事情 B. 客 C. 姓 D. 先生. Which one do you think is the correct answer? 事情 is matter, 客 is subject, 姓 is surname, 先生 is Mr. And the correct answer for this question is A. 事情，事情。Moving on to another question here. What is Miss or Mrs. in Chinese? A. 商店 B. 小姐 C. 先生 D. 事情 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 商店 is store, 小姐 is Miss or Mrs, 先生 is Mr, 事情 is matter. And B is the right answer for this question. 小姐，小姐。And finally, guys, the last question for today. What is subject in Chinese? A. 姓 B. 课 C. 意思 D. 手表 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? Xing is surname, 课 is subject, 意思 is meaning, 手表 is watch. And B is the correct answer for this question. 课，课。And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. Thank you so much for your time. Good job and have a great day.